This project is super special to us. We're in and around Mahogany a lot, and we have the opportunity to build something special here. We're doing this Rosetta Grand Ledge wall. It's just gonna really be a staple to people who can view it from across the lake and across the water. They call it Grand Ledge for a reason. It's gonna be awesome.
Installing these walls has been a breeze, honestly, between all the other kinds of walls we've used.
We use our John Deere 60D excavator. Sorry, actually that's false. We use a 27. So actually it's quite a smaller size excavator, and we found that worked pretty well, to be honest.
When I first saw these rocks, I thought they were real. Like Jack said earlier, it's pretty easy to install once you get the rhythm going, and looks just amazing, like just like a real rock feature. And it's a really nice addition to like the entire landscaping project.
You need to trust your base prep. I feel like Grand Ledge doesn't lie because they are uniform pieces. It's not like a natural limestone retaining wall where there's some wiggle room in the sub base. Like, you got to get this laser straight, and then it goes easy. I think base prep took us about 2 days for this whole thing, but then building the actual wall took us like just under 2 days for the whole thing. You do it once, you do it proper, and then it just is just from the ground up, super fast.
It's usually the staple of the project. It usually looks amazing. We don't have a job where it looks bad. It makes itself look good. It makes everything else around it look better. You just gotta come see it.